Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. By 2025, what is the estimated value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins? Shib News. The final stages of development are underway for the eagerly anticipated Shiba. According to the most recent information, the crypto community is thrilled about the introduction of this Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet, which was announced by the Shiba Inu team. The price of Shib began to rise as soon as it was reported that the Shiba test net would go live. One of the reasons the coin has performed well is the increasing demand for it, as more investors purchase Shiba Inu before the expected boom following the product's real introduction. The main issue with Shiba Inu's reliance on the Ethereum blockchain has been addressed by Shiba's design and development. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will be powered by the blockchain solution, which will also enable developers to expand upon it. As a result, it is among the most important tools that will increase Shiba Inu coin usage. The value of 20 million Shibu coins by 2025 will be discussed in this video. Shib News. To view our most recent content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu increased by 15.2% in the last day and 31.2% in the last 7 days on January 17. According to market capitalization, Shib is presently the 13th largest digital asset. Out of the top 100 cryptocurrencies, it has had one of the greatest days despite its price of 0.12. The 24-hour trading volume of the meme coin increased by around 200%. With the majority of these deals taking place on Binance and Coinbase. Altcoins are seeing robust rallies after those of the market leaders, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as has frequently happened in past market cycles. This could be because traders are reinvesting their winnings from large-cap assets into smaller ones. According to data from CryptoQuant, on January 10th, over 14 trillion Shib tokens were placed on exchanges, marking a huge rise in the quantity of tokens being moved to these platforms. The price increase today implies that assets might not be sold in the spot market, but rather used to open derivative bets. If long positions start to liquidate, the Shib price may become more volatile if the recent price movements are based on the derivatives market. The Shiba Inu team revealed earlier this week that it is developing Shiba, a Layer 2 network that would run on Ethereum. In their project introduction blog post, the company noted that some people saw Shiba as a price-pumping tool, but that has never been the project's aim. Instead, the team contends that its new Layer 2 network would boost ecosystem token transaction speeds and reduce expenses. Throughout January, there has been a remarkable increase in the price of Shiba. However, since longer time frames don't always provide the best bullish indications, care should be used. Investors are paying close attention to Shiba Inu's price because the month-long surge in volatility has produced a number of lucrative day trading chances. The technicals indicate a northward stop in the market, but they also highlight grounds to doubt the long-term viability of the uptrend. The current price of Shiba Inu is 0.0000001037. On the daily period, the Relative Strength Index (RSI), an indicator that evaluates trend potential by contrasting and comparing prior pivot points, displays an odd circumstance. Given that the indicators broke above overbought circumstances above the 70 level during the most recent surge, they are definitely optimistic. Regretfully, the rise hardly affected the weekly RSI. The surge exhibits a concealed bearish divergence and stays in the neutral zone. This might be a subliminal indication that the market's early bulls are rowing toward a waterfall that could be liquidated in the upcoming weeks. If this is true, the recent genesis point at 0.0000000800 might be challenged, which would cause the price of Shib to drop by 25% from its current level. Additionally, the smart money may qualify Shib's potential for future uptrends at the liquidity level above the concealed bearish divergence. If the bearish argument is refuted by a breach at 0.1516, a rally toward the August high of 0.1793, which would represent a 75% rise from Shinu's current market value on January 15, 2023, might be initiated. Many people expressed their admiration for Shiba Inu in the comment thread, sometimes even choosing it over Dogecoin, the original meme token that was introduced as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. There are currently no indications of a market downturn, and Shib is still rising well. The primary cause of this sudden increase is probably related to a number of Shibarium-related updates and listings on several major cryptocurrency exchanges. Since Shiba Inu has been consolidating near the 200 to 100-day moving average for over 4 days, which may have been an accumulation period prior to the breakout we saw today, it has also been indicating the likelihood of a breakout. However, based on his previous tweets, David Jin only has Doge and Shiba Inu. The burning volume will probably continue to increase if the market's current price momentum holds. The Japanese trading platform Altcoin Japan, a division of the San Francisco-based exchange, added support for the second largest meme coin by market capitalization value at the beginning of December. The most recent Shiba Inu coin news indicates that the market is not expected to do much and that the bearish tendencies are still in place. It might take a while for the industry to bounce back from this trend. While some analysts predict that investors will have a prosperous future, many believe that a significant crypto winter is still to come. The price may surpass the 0.269 objective with additional stimulation from projects like DAO, Shino Game, and NFTs. In the meantime, the price may drop to 0.185 due to normal buying and selling pressures. Lastly, the price may drop to 0.00102 due to bearish patterns. The increasing adoption by luxury and retail firms may pave the path for international recognition and the flood of high-end clients. The rising effect is noticeable in succession, with whales currently holding the largest percentage, followed by investors and retail. Nevertheless, the volume that retailers have helped has been steadily increasing. Shib's price might therefore reach a price tag of 0.36 with a rise in buy orders. However, declining Shib statistics and little traffic could drive the price down to 0.35. The average price may find its foundation at 0.00250 when taking into account the bullish and bearish targets. Shib is anticipated to grow significantly over time if the maker's innovative ideas come to fruition and if it becomes a prominent player in the metaverse. The price of Shib can reach 0.00437. Shib may trade at an average price of 0.377 if the market forces the price through normal buying and selling pressures. On the dark side, FUD and pessimistic attitudes could drive the price down below 0.000000318 if investors are unable to keep up with the digital assets liquidity on exchanges. It should be emphasized that the price estimate for Shiba Inu is now down more than 87% from its all-time high of 0.000008845. However, if the bulls surge in, Shiba Inu might reach reachable highs of 0.259 by the end of 2023, based to CoinPD's forecasted Shibainu price. On the downside, the memecoin's price may enter a bearish hook and drop to 0.00112 if it succumbs to bearish trends driven by large liquidations. The network added Leash as the next token after Shib. The network swiftly transformed from a rebased token to a fungible one. The token presently has a fixed quantity of 100,000, and the keys were burned, just like the previous token. According to the network, there will be specific benefits for everyone who maintains the currency's liquidity. Since Ethereum powers the network, it is extremely secure while being a developing project. We may anticipate that Shiba Inu will benefit from the shift since Ethereum plans to move from POW to POS consensus procedures. Among other notable exchanges, the altcoin is listed on Coinbase Pro, Binance, Ccoin, Wazirix India, and Uniswap. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.